Alexa, turn on the air conditioner.
Okay.
Alexa, decrease air conditioner by 4.
Is set to 66.
Alexa, set the air conditioner to 70 degrees.
Is set to 70.
Alexa, turn off the air conditioner.
Okay.
And here's the second one. And the first thing I don't like about it is every time you turn it on, it resets. This is the temperature in the house. Every time you turn it off and turn it back on again, you have to put it to cool, which is fine, that's every air conditioner, but you have to set the temp back down to where you want it again. And then I'm gonna shut this part off for now so you can hear me. The Wi-Fi, it says you're supposed to hold it for 5 seconds. It's going to beep, and then this is going to stay flashing, and that means the Wi-Fi is up and pairing. And then here's what happens. You hold it. 3 beeps, it flashes once, and then that's it. So, you're buying an air conditioner for its looks and not its functionality.